Today, on Orbital Mechanics and Astrodynamics Explained, we're going to be going over a bi-elliptic transfer. A bi-elliptic transfer uses two elliptical transfer orbits to move between circular orbits of different sizes. This is generally more effective than the Hohmann transfer in cases where the ratio of the final orbit radius to the initial orbit radius, or RF to RI, is around 12 or greater. Here, we see the spacecraft move from the parking orbit into the first elliptical transfer orbit. Then, at the apogee or farthest point, it moves into the second elliptical transfer orbit, and then finally into the final circular orbit. This concept can be visualized in FreeFlyer, a powerful orbital dynamics software. Here, we see the spacecraft move from that initial orbit into the first elliptic transfer orbit, then into the second elliptic transfer orbit, and finally into that final circular orbit. In the top left, we've also used FreeFlyer to calculate the total delta V required to perform this maneuver. Thank you for watching our Orbital Mechanics and Astrodynamics Explained series. Be sure to follow us on YouTube to learn more FreeFlyer and flight dynamics resources, and see the link in the description to download FreeFlyer today.